What is this called?
Sand.
That you made? Is this called your volcano?
Mommy, it's not your volcano. It's mine. You can live in it, but you can't bring it home.
Oh.
Mommy, this is lovely.
It's a little bit slippery, huh?
Mommy, it's not ready yet.
Oh, okay.